So you from the city?
No, I'm from Brooklyn.
I ripped him an asshole up on Friday, but now he's my buddy.
I mean, if you snort that line of salt, I don't know, what do you want, like a t-shirt?
Hank Saloon, Hank Saloon.
If you can create something in Hank's, you know you can create it anywhere.
It was one of the places where you could get a cheap drink and hang out with a bunch of pensioners.
People perceived it as being threatening, but for the people that went there, it was exactly the opposite experience.
Everybody was friendly, everybody was from all over. This is like the most original Benetton ad of New York.
Remember? Yeah. Remember when you were on my back?
Yeah, when he dumped you.
It was debaucherous. Like, there was always this feeling of like, there's no depth to which you could see things going to where it would be shocking.
You were there the last night, right? What? Was I doing something bad?
You'll have to see the movie.
It was like the last of a dying breed of old man bar turned something new that was still actually cool.
When you talk about Hanks, this is the real Brooklyn, the real deal. We love him, and we don't want him to leave.
I can't believe we're closing, and everybody's counting down. I'm not counting nothing.
When you're coming in here to ask us and lament that we're closing, but yet you're not spending a fucking dime, go fuck yourself.
There was a conscious decision by the powers that be in New York. Do we maintain as an industrial city, or do we want to become a city of finance and real estate?
There was all these bigwigs kind of fighting over land and property and taxes, and we just kind of floated by in this limbo of, like, if we're small enough and don't make enough noise, like, no one's gonna notice that we're still here running the bar.
They want to buy it and fix it up. You know, fix it up. There's nothing wrong with it.
Even though soon it may go kaboom, we'll down one more round and cruise one more tune for wonderful Hank Saloon.
God bless Hanks.